So if you are going to guys new product called 30 speed high frequency massage gun, muscle relax deep tissue neck body relaxation massager. This is a winning dropshipping product because it solves a particular problem. It relaxes the muscle as you can see for muscle relaxation, muscle plasticity, for deep tissue massage, precise measure, for deep tissue massage, precise massage, for bulk muscle groups, and for massaging the neck, spine, and Achilles. This is the solution the product gives. It currently has 4.9 star reviews on AliExpress with 372 reviews and 1,292 orders. It's sold on AliExpress at the cost price on AliExpress is sold at $48.82. The color of the product is that is carbon fiber. It has a 3 plug type, which is US plug, EU plug, and UK plug. It currently has based on quantity. If decide to add quantity, 725 pieces available. And shipped to United States with 7-day delivery free shipping. For United States, United States via FedEx. Estimated delivery is on March 21. The other shipping options. If you decide to use the second shipping option, say shipping US is $26.32 US. Free shipping for orders over US $50 US. From China to United States via AliExpress and shipping. Estimated delivery is on April 18. You also have more shipping options. This is an evergreen product that covers a fitness niche for those in fitness niche. Also, it also covers it solves a problem that for those who slouch their back, people who are walking and having pains on their body, be it their arms, their legs, their backs. This product helps to massage and relieve such pain. So it's an evergreen product that can be sold all year. If you decide to sell product at Shopify Woocommerce store, the selling price can be at $99.99 because it's a high perceived value product. You can also sell it at 100.99, 100.95 or $99.95. Who will buy this product? But you need to have an effective customer service on your Shopify Woocommerce store. You need to have a professional email address, a phone number to reach you, and also an email chatbot describing the shipping times and the frequently asked questions that customers are going to ask. Now, what are the marketing strategies used to market this product? You can use Facebook ads. You can also use YouTube ads to market this product, and YouTube search ads. You can also use Google search ads to market this product. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.